diving service here. It is July 11th. I am still at the vessel Grand Lady. I did go ahead and replace your rudder zigs. I am going to put the spent ones up there on the dock for you to see them. I will show you those first. They're on the sitting on the trim tab right now. Then I'll show you the new ones. I did not have 1 1/4 inch shaft zigs with me. So when Cannell comes back to do the starboard side later this afternoon, he will have those 1 1/4 inch shaft zigs, and we will put those on. I brought 1 1/2s, and your shafts are actually 1 1/4s. So let's take a look at the old zigs real quick.